everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite topics, which is mists. So we're going to talk about various body mists and what you can wear seasonally, occasionally, every day, and how it varies. Especially for me, I'm going to talk from my perspective and what I use when. So let's get into it. So the first one I'm going to talk to you about is Vanilla Skin, and this is by Fleur. Now this is something that I use during the winter season. So when it starts getting chilly, we can say fall, winter-ish, this is what I wear because this is a very beautiful vanilla with some boozy notes in it, and it's a very decadent and punchy and very seductive smell, which I absolutely enjoy wearing. It's a body mist, so it does not last for hours and hours. It, performs for about 2 to 3 hours on my skin and clothes, and then it wears off, but it does the job. I'm going to leave the note breakdown somewhere on the screen for you to review. I'm just going to pick out the exact notes which stand out to me and that I can smell on my skin and on my clothes. I love it especially because it has vanilla and it has almost crystallized sugary feeling, and it also has some sandalwood in it. So these three notes are something which stand out to me, and I don't see it on their note breakdown, but I personally smell some booziness in it as well. If this is something that you enjoy and would love to wear during the winter season or the cooler months, I would highly recommend you try this out. I have tried wearing this during the hotter months, so during the summers, but it doesn't really sit well because it feels too heavy personally for me. So I like wearing something light, airy, and fresh during the summer seasons, and which is why I don't really enjoy wearing this then. So I just save this for the winter season. So if you see this entire bottle, it's 90 ml. It's a 90 ml bottle. I think I got this around September, and I have worn it ever since, and you can see I'm all the way to the bottom of it, so I have used up a lot of it, and this is the only thing I've been wearing the entire time. So September, October, November, December, January, this is Feb, and now we're in March. So I've been consistently using this for all these 6 months, and I have thoroughly enjoyed it. So if you haven't already given it a try, I highly recommend you try this out. So the next body mist that I would like to talk to you about is Sol de Janeiro's Cheirosa 59. I have a full-sized bottle of that. I think it's a 120 or 150 ml bottle, and I have lost it. Being the clumsy chum that I am, I have lost the bottle somewhere. I just wanted to mention it in this video because that is something that I wear during the transition period. So when it starts getting warmer to cooler or cooler to warmer, that is the perfect scent for those transition seasonal months. And now that we're transitioning from winter to the spring, I am going to start using that. The other time that I enjoy wearing it is from summer to fall. I love wearing it during that season. It's a purple bottle. I'm going to leave a picture somewhere here for you to refer to, and also the fragrance notes and the exact breakdown somewhere on the screen. What I get in that body mist is I get some sugary vanilla with some orchid and sandalwood. So these are the three notes which I really enjoy. So it's a sweet, floral, but not too heavy, but a little bit woody perfume. It's something that I thoroughly enjoy wearing because it is a little sweeter. I would recommend you wear it during cooler months. Transitional seasons are the best time to wear that perfume or that body mist. It's because it is so sweet. So sometimes it may feel a little too heavy, but it's also not very heavy. It's also a little airy and light at the same time. So if you want to feel nice and fresh, but also sweet and a little sticky, but also a little florally, I think you should give it a try, and I think you will really enjoy wearing it. The next body mist that I would like to talk to you about is Cheirosa 68 by Sol de Janeiro. This is the perfect everyday body mist because it is so light and airy and sweet and just beautiful. Just overall, it's just a very beautiful fragrance. The interesting thing about this body mist is I think it's a dupe for Baccarat Rouge 540 because it smells very similar. Very, very similar to that perfume. You know how the perfume smells like spun sugar? So it's extremely sweet. I mean, it's sugary sweet, but it is so airy at the same time. This body mist gives me the exact same feeling. I swear it smells very interesting and very nice. It's a very crowd pleasing fragrance. So I think everyone who tries this out will usually like it. It's nothing out of the world or anything. It just smells like every other fragrance. So it's a very common crowd pleasing, mass appealing perfume. Give it a try. I would highly recommend that you do. This has some pink dragon fruit, some lychee essence, some Brazilian jasmine, ocean air, hibiscus, sheer vanilla, and sunrise. So I definitely get the dragon fruit. I mean the fruitiness from that fruit. I can't exactly point out which fruit, but it does have the fruity essence and it also has that airy feeling from the ocean air and it is definitely musky. So as it dries down on your skin and after a while you start smelling very nice and musky and airy and just too good, and I would highly recommend you give it a try if that's something that you enjoy wearing. And anyway, even if it does not sound appealing to you, I would still suggest you give this a try because you may really enjoy wearing it, especially because it's such a mass appealing fragrance. The next body mist is Cheirosa 76 by Sol de Janeiro, and this was a previous limited time collection which was called After Hours. I'm going to show both the body mists right here. It's the same thing. The After Hours mist got so famous and so popular that the brand decided to create a whole new thing with a new number called 76. So it's that good, guys. It is jasmine and some amber and a little sweetness, and it is so nice to wear during the cooler months because it forms this really cozy, comforting and enveloping feeling. It's very beautiful, very calming and very nice. The scent itself is absolutely stunning. The only problem is all the body mists that I have tried, that one is the least performing one. It smells so good, but it only lasts for about half an hour on my skin and on my clothes. It doesn't even last on my clothes. On my skin though, it's a different story, but it does not even last on my clothes. It just stays there for the first half an hour and boom, it's gone. It's just completely gone. But again, it smells so good that I didn't mind. But as you can see, I did not repurchase it. So I had the After Hours version. It was a limited time collection, and I just one day I strolled into Sephora and I found it. And I absolutely loved it. And it got over in that season itself, last winter. And I wanted to buy it again, but it was gone because it was a limited time collection. I could not repurchase it. And the next thing I know, they have come up with the 76 line. And I got so excited for it, but then I just ended up not buying it because I found vanilla skin and I was just so happy with it, and I didn't feel like buying it again, especially because it does not last at all. Exact note breakdown is somewhere on the screen. You should give it a try. It's a really nice body mist and it's a really nice fragrance. The only problem is the longevity. It lasts for 5 minutes and it's gone. It's super annoying. Even if it's a body mist, you would expect it to last at least for 1 hour or 1.5 hours at least. It does not last on my skin, and this is my personal experience. It may be different for you. Everyone has a different body chemistry. Perfumes last differently on different people. So for me it was a really bad experience, but you may really find it to last very long on your skin and on your clothes. But I still really loved it. I would highly recommend you to try it out. Give it a sniff and let me know if you like it in the comments below. The next body mist that I'm going to talk to you about is Cheirosa 62 by Sol de Janeiro. Oh my god. It's absolutely stunning. I just love wearing this body mist, especially during the summers. It just melts on my skin and it smells so good. Oh my god, I get addicted to this fragrance myself, but I keep feeling it's very narcissistic, but I keep feeling that, oh my god, I smell so good when I wear this. And the most interesting thing about this, believe it or not, it lasts for more than 3 hours on my skin, and then on my clothes a little longer than that. I was very surprised by the performance of this. Being a body mist, it just lasts for so long. It's just, I don't know what is different in this versus all the other body mists that they have in their line. Sol de Janeiro, I don't know what you've done with this one, but it performs really well. This is pistachio and salted caramel, and god, does it smell like pistachio and salted caramel. I spray it on my skin. I get lots and lots of nuttiness, so from that pistachio, and it has some almond as well. And I get woodiness, some woodiness from the sandalwood that it has, and a lot of caramel and vanilla mixture. So this caramel tonka beanie praline solution, I don't know, note that it has, it just smells divine, you guys. It smells insane on my skin and it performs so well in the summers. It's very strange how a nutty, caramelly and vanilla body mist would perform so well in the summers. But yes, I would highly recommend you try this out in the summertime because it makes me feel like I'm on some beachy vacation spot. I don't know, it makes me feel like I'm chilling in Mexico or something. It smells so good, and it almost gives me a feeling of wearing a really luxurious sunscreen lotion or a tanning lotion or something like that. It just smells really good, you guys. I can't recommend this enough. I highly recommend you try this out because as we're transitioning into the warmer weather now, this would fit perfectly and you would smell irresistible. Trust me, you'll smell and you will feel very, intense and irresistible when you try this out. If you pair it with the body butter that they give along with this, oh my god, you are going to smell like caramel the entire day. Trust me, I had the whole, that whole set with the body mist, the shower gel, the body mist and the small body butter thingy. I had that set and I was pairing it. I think it was last year that I had that set, and the whole summer I was using just that. Body cream or the body butter also is stunning. It's absolutely insane. It leaves your skin glowing and it leaves your skin so soft and moisturized and supple throughout the day. It's not sticky at all. It's quite, for the consistency that it has, it's quite interesting how it absorbs into your skin so quickly and leaves it, non-greasy and non-sticky. The shower gel as well is insane. It's beautiful. The consistency of the shower gel is so good. It's a thick, lotiony liquid and it's it feels so luxurious and lathers up insanely as well. Even the body scrub that they have, the Cheirosa 62 body scrub, oh my god, I have tried every single thing from the Cheirosa 62 line and you can tell how much I enjoy it because this is not my first bottle, you guys. This is my third or the fourth bottle. I have discovered this 2 years ago and every single summer, even now if you see I'm all the way to the bottom, every single summer I make sure that I have a bottle of this. I have gifted this to my mom. So my parents were visiting last year and I sprayed this on, and my mom was around, like my mom and dad, they were sitting somewhere in the room, and both of them were like, wow, this smells so good. My dad asked me to buy this for my mom. He was like, can you please buy this for your mother? It smells so good. And it was very funny and very cute. But yeah, just a small little story associated to this. I wore this the entire time when I went to Miami. Every single day I was spraying this on. It's just insane, you guys. You have to try this out. If you don't take anything from this video, I really want you to take just this one thing, because it is insane. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it if you love your sweeter vanilla fragrances. Oh god, you have to try this out. The next body mist is again from Sol de Janeiro. I don't know, there's just one or two body mists that I'm going to talk about which are not from this line. Sol de Janeiro is just insane when it comes to body mists. They have cracked the board, you guys. They have cracked it. Every single body mist that they have created is beautiful, and some or the other person loves at least one of their products because they smell so good. They have done it, you guys. Okay, coming back to the point. The next body mist that I'm going to talk to you about is this fluorescent green bottle. I am going to completely butcher this name, so please don't hate me, please. It's Beijos del Sol. It's Beijos de Sol. I don't know what it means, but it does things to me. Oh my god. Okay, this smells like a very expensive, luxurious body oil that you wear during the summers. So it has some coconut milk and frangipani. Frangipani is a note that I absolutely love. It is so creamy and milky and floral and absolutely insane. I absolutely love this fragrance note. But the fragrances which have this note in it do not last. I just rely on the body mists to try out frangipani, because honestly, I have tried a few fragrances like perfumes that have frangipani note in it, but they just don't last on my skin, and I cannot justify paying that much money for a perfume that does not last on my skin at all. So that's why I was so happy when they introduced this line. I think this was again last year in the summer when Sol de Janeiro introduced this line. And I can't tell you how excited I was to try this out, because it's right up my alley. It has peach skin, coconut milk and frangipani petals. These are the only three things it has. It's a very simple yet extremely luxurious and extremely beachy feeling perfume. Last year I went to Hawaii with my friends, and I have worn this fragrance every single day because it was the perfect tropical weather fragrance. I honestly cannot recommend this fragrance enough. If you are someone who enjoys smelling like a tropical vacation, or just like a luxurious vacation overall, you will enjoy this. If you are someone who enjoys the smell of frangipani in fragrances, you are going to fall in love with this fragrance. Oh my god. So I have tried a lot of fragrances, a lot of perfumes that have frangipani in it, but unfortunately I have not found anything that lasts for a long time on my skin. So every single fragrance that I have tried, because they are floral fragrances, they do not tend to last on my skin as long, and I just can't justify to myself paying so much money and not even having the fragrance perform on my skin. So when this line came out last year, I think it's a summer collection, so when this came out I was so excited because this is right up my alley, you guys. It has coconut milk and frangipani, and these two things together, oh my god, it's like the perfect tropical summer weather fragrance that I absolutely enjoy wearing. This and Sharoza 62, these are the two body mists that I have worn the entire summer last year. And you can see, I mean, even this one, this is all the way to the bottom. I am all the way to the bottom of this fragrance because, and even the other one, the Sharoza 62, even that one is all the way to the bottom because these are the two fragrances that I wear every time I go on a vacation to a tropical spot, or if I go back to India, if I'm visiting home back in Mumbai. These are the two body mists that I never ever fail to carry because it fits perfectly in that weather, and it just performs amazingly well in the summer weather. So yeah, if this sounds like something that you would enjoy, I highly recommend you give it a try. The next body mist that I would like to talk to you about is Sharoza 87, and this is again from Sol de Janeiro. God, this body mist is beautiful. It is beautiful. It is a tuberose body mist. It has some tuberose, it has some milky notes, so it's a creamy floral fragrance and it is stunning. It smells again like a very rich, classy, luxurious vacation, and I am so sad because I absolutely love the fragrance, but because it has tuberose in it, I just cannot wear it. I'm allergic to the note of tuberose. It gives me an instant headache. As soon as I smell tuberose in any fragrances, it just gives me an instant headache, and I'm so sad about it because so many great fragrances have tuberose in it, and that is the only reason why I cannot wear it. I tried, guys. I tried giving this Sharoza 87 a lot of tries. Like every single time I used to go to Sephora, I used to spray this on, both my hands, and I used to smell it, but oh god, it just gave me instant headaches and I just could not take it. So that is why I don't have this fragrance. But it is such a mass appealing and stunning fragrance that I had to put it in this video. If you are someone who really loves tuberose or is indifferent to the smell of tuberose or just enjoys floral fragrances, I would highly recommend you try this out because you are going to fall in love with it, especially if you are someone who enjoys their tropical fragrances. Oh my god, you have to give it a try. The next fragrance is Sharoza 71. Now, this fragrance, I find it quite funny, to be very honest, and it's because it reminds me of Good Day Biscuit. I don't know how many of you can relate to this, but I sprayed it the other day. I mean, I don't have it for the same reason that it almost smells edible. Like that fragrance is like a Biscoff cookie and it smells good, but that is not something that I enjoy. Gourmand fragrances that make you literally smell like something edible or some dessert or some food is not something I enjoy wearing at all. But I know people who love wearing such fragrances and who love smelling edible, like almost edible. You will literally smell like a cookie when you wear that fragrance. It honestly smells like Good Day Biscuit. Guys, if you are someone who knows Good Day Biscuit, just comment below and let me know if you have tried this fragrance, Sharoza 71. Let me know if you have tried it and let me know if you can relate to this as well, because I just found it so funny the other day. The whole time I was smelling like Good Day Biscuit and I just cannot get over how funny it is. But honestly, it's a great fragrance. If you are someone who really enjoys your gourmands, you are going to love this fragrance. The final fragrance on my list is White T-shirt by Bath and Body Works. I had this bottle I think 2 or 3 years ago and I couldn't find it again. I mean, to be very honest, I stopped. It's not like I tried very hard. I don't know if they still have it, but the fragrance itself was absolutely stunning. The fragrance literally smelled like freshly laundered, soapy, clean, crisp white t-shirt. And oh my god, it's a perfect body mist to wear after shower. Like as soon as you are done with your shower, that is the first thing you can spray and you'll smell so fresh and clean and soapy. Oh god, it is an amazing fragrance if that is something that you enjoy wearing. Actually, now that I think of it, I should try and find it, because now that we're getting into the warmer months, that is something that I would really enjoy wearing, I feel. So those were all my recommendations for you today. I have been talking non-stop for such a long time. I don't even know how long this video is going to be. I'm like a professional yapper. That is me, guys. But anyway, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, give me a like button and subscribe to my channel. I make videos every Sunday, so I hope to see you back then. Until then, spread those good vibes and beautiful scents wherever you go.